This is a short introduction on how to use Codio. Codio is an environment that is relatively new to SNHU, and I'm sure it's new to pretty much everyone taking this class. So I just wanted to give you an idea of how to use Codio, what the different areas of Codio are used for. Now I am currently in Codio as a test student, so this view should be the same view or very similar to the view that you see. So what I see and what you should see in Codio is on the left hand side there are a list of modules. And each module, except for the playground, is a series of assignments that you need to complete. And we will be going over these assignments as class goes on. So that's down the left hand side. Up along the top, or almost the top, is the name of the module, your current grade in that module, the percentage of points you have earned in that module, how many of those module elements have been graded, because there are multiple challenges per module, how many of them you have answered, and how many total assessments there are. So for instance, you will see that IT 140, numeric and string expressions, has 8 total assessments. Now, an assessment in Codio is also called a challenge. So those two terms can be used interchangeably. So let's go in and look at what Codio has to offer us. So I'm going to click on the module. I'm going to click over here and it'll say ready to go or in progress. I'm going to click on in progress, or I could have clicked on ready to go, and you will see that it is loading and unpacking the project. Now this project is already been started as a test student, but let's see what we have just from the Codio environment standpoint. There are 2 panes in front of us. One is a pane that you can, or panel, that you can use to type in your code, and that will be used when you're doing the assessments. The second is the pane that has either the instructions or has information about what it is we're learning about Python. Now you can collapse or expand this pane. So to collapse it, I simply hit the collapse button here. To expand it, I simply hit the expand button down on the right hand side. You'll see the name of the module or the challenge. You will see right and left arrow keys that allow you to walk through whatever's going on in this module. You have a settings that you can restore your files, you can mark as completed, you can change your theme, your font size, or you can reset the font and theme. But also you have this little drop down here, and this menu, what it does is it allows you to go through and look. It's like an index, so you can look at all of the different modules, not modules, but all of the different sections within a module. So, and all of these are selectable. So I can click on Introduction to Coding, and I can, this is a toggle button up here, so I can toggle that index closed or toggle it open. I'm going to toggle it closed, and you'll see here is just the Introduction to Coding section. And you will hit a next button to move through. You will read through all of this information, and there's a nice little button that says run the code on the left. Now run the code on the left simply says I'm running through and I can make sure it works. And Codio will provide you with code examples on the left that match what the discussions are on the right until you get to a challenge. And at the point in time that you get to a challenge, you'll see it say challenge. Oh, sorry. Let me go to a challenge here. We'll go to a challenge. You'll see it says the challenge and that this is 2.3 and this is what the challenge is going to be. And you'll be able to run through and check what you need to do and if you've done it right or wrong. And these will be graded. So this has been a short introduction to Codio.